driving. Look at that thing. That thing's hysterical. What's up, hey?
They put the gun in sideways. They had to put the radio outside the tank.
Yes.
And they also had to take 5 car engines and strap them together because the engine wouldn't work. Which made maintenance hell for them, but they made it work somehow.
It's so funny how you speak like an American.
It's called British austerity.
British austerity.
Yes.
Imagine being one of the guys who got picked to go on the bicycle. He's like, all right, here, you get on the bicycle and go attack a tank.
Did you know that there are more bicycles in the
Always like this.
That guy's definitely going to get pulled over. Come closer. A little bit. All right, ready?
It's already going.
When you absolutely have to kill every Russian you meet, you gotta have a tiger. I'm in the Netherlands with an actual Dutchman.
Hello.
And look how oh my god. These neat little roads and fast drivers. And oh, you wouldn't want to smell it though. There's lots of farmland. It's very beautiful. All right, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Good job.